Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 7.4, question number 1. Write shaded portion as fraction, arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign is less than, is equal to, is greater than between the fractions. Right? Let us solve question number 1a. Question number 1a is 1a. First fraction is 1, 2, 3. 3 are shaded, that is 3 by how many parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 parts. Total is 8 parts, that is 3 by 8. In the second part, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and total part is 8. Next one is 1 2 3 4. Next part is 4 by 8 4 by 8 and next one is 1 by 8 1 by 8. Right? First of all, we'll arrange them in ascending order and again in descending order, right? We are arranging this and ascending order. The least one is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is less than 3 by 8 and 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 8 and 4 by 8 is less than 6 by 8. This is in ascending order. Ascending order and question number, and we will now represent by descending order, that is 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8, 4 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8 and 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. This is in descending order. Descending order. Right? Now question number B. Now we'll solve question number B. Question number B is question number B. First of all, we write the shaded portion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 and total fraction is, total parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 by 9. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part is shaded out of 9. Next part is 1, 2, 3. 3 by 9. And next part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 9. Right? Now, if we arrange them in ascending order, we will get the least one, that is 3 by 9 is less than 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is less than 6 by 9 and 6 by 9 is less than 8 by 9. This is in ascending order. Ascending order. And now we'll represent it in descending order. That's 8 by 9 is greater than 6 by 9. 6 by 9 is greater than 4 by 9 and 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. That is descending order. Descending order. Right? Now we'll solve question number C. Question number C is Now we'll solve question number C. Question number C is show 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. Put appropriate signs between the fractions given. That is 5 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 0. Right. First of all, we have to show this number 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6. Let us draw a line here. Let us draw one line. We are drawing one line, number line. We have drawn a number line and we'll show the different points, right? That is here the fractions are 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6, right? First of all, we divide this number as 6 by 6 is 1, this is 0. Let us take this as 0. Here we have taken 0. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. This is 1. This is 2. Right? Now we'll divide how many 2 by 6. That means you have to divide this 0 to 1 into 6 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 equal parts, right? This one number is 6 part. That is this number is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. This one is 2 by 6. This one is 3 by 6. This one is 4 by 6. This one is 5 by 6. This one is equal to 1, that is 6 by 6. 6 by 6, that is equal to 1. And we have to plot this one 8 by 6. How will we find 8 by 6? If we divide 8 by 6, we are getting 6 1 just 6. 1 whole 2 by 6. 1 whole 2 by 6. Again we will divide this 1 to 2 into 6 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? And this is again 1 whole 1 by 6. This is actually 1 by 6 if I take only 1 by 6. In 1 by 1 and 2 it is 1 by 6. It is 1 by 6. It is 2 by 6. 2 by 6, not 3. It is 2 by 6. It is 2 by 6. Right? It is 2 by 6. It is 3 by 6. 3 by 6. It is 4 by 6. 4 by 6. It is 5 by 6. And 6 by 6 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Right? Now we'll find the fractions. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is this point. 1 by 6. This is 2 by 6. This is not 3. This is wrong. This is actually, it will be 6. Right? Let us rub this one. It is actually 6. It is 6. Let us write as 6, 2 by 6. Right? Now the first point is 2 by 6 and this point is 2 by 6. This point is 2 by 6. Next one is 4 by 6. This point is 4 by 6. This is 4 by 6. This point is 6 by 6. This one is 6 by 6. This point is 6 by 6, right? And 8 by 6 is 1 whole 2 by 6. This is 1 whole, and 2 by 6 means this point is 1 whole 2 by 6, right? Now we will find the appropriate signs between the fractions given below, that is 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. Here you see it is 2 by 6 and it is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 on the right side of 2 by 6. Therefore 5 by 6 is actually greater, right? 5 by, you see this is 2 by 6 and 5 by 6 on the right side. Right side means it is increasing. Here 0, 1, 2, this is increasing on this side. On the right side it is increasing, and on the left side it is decreasing. It is increasing. It is increasing. And on the left side it is decreasing. On the left side it is decreasing. It is decreasing. Left side it is decreasing. Now we'll find, that is, you see 2 by 6 is here, and 5 by 6 is here. 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is right side of 2 by 6. Therefore 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. And 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. Right? Now next question. 3 by 6 and 0. Where is 3 by 6? 3 by 6 is this one. 3 by 6. And 0 is here. Right? 3 by 6 is on the right side of 0. Right side of 0. That means 3 by 6 is greater than 0. 3 by 6 is greater than 0. Right? 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. This is 1 by 6 and this is 6 by 6. Right? 1 by 6 and this is 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is 1. That means 6 by 6 is greater than 1 by 6. Why? Because 6 by 6 is on the right side of 1 by 6. That means 6 by 6 is greater than 1 by 6, or 1 by 6 is less than 6 by 6. 8 by 6. Which one is 8 by 6? 8 by 6 means 1 whole 2 by 6. 1 whole means here, and 2 by 6 means here. That means this point is 1 whole 2 by 6. This point is here. This point is 1 whole 2 by 6. Right? Or you can say it as 8 by 6. 6 by 6, 7, 8, 8 by 6. 5 by 6, where is 5 by 6? This point is 5 by 6. Right? Therefore 1 whole 2 by 6 on the right side of 5 by 6. Therefore 8 by 6 is greater than 5 by 6. 8 by 6 is greater than 5 by 6. 8 by 6 is greater than 5 by 6. 8 by 6 is greater than 5 by 6. Right? This is the solution of question number 7.4, question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.